my name is Anna Epi, and Talk to the Camera just gave me this really colorful box that I'm really excited to open. So, let's get to it. Okay. Okay, I don't know what they're called. I'm pretty sure they're called like slates. I have no idea. Oh, it's like scene I3 roll, I don't know, production something, and then take 500. I'm so excited. I love these. Okay. Oh, this is a cute Talk to the Camera bag. It has one of these again. It has a little slate. Oh, this is cute. A camera bag, so you can hold like cameras in it and all your essentials for your camera. So that's really cool. I love this. This is awesome. Okay. And then we had a cool handy dandy Talk to the Camera hat, and it looks really cool. I like this. Talk to the Camera shirt. And this is the back. It says lights, camera, action, button. So that's really fun. Then we have I think this is a tripod. This is a camera tripod, so it can hold cameras and everything. Oh, this is so cool. I love this. Oh my gosh, I have my first tripod. Oh, yay. And then we have something for a camera. It's like something that holds like your videos, I guess. A deluxe starter kit. Oh, okay. So this has like cleaning stuff. It has this thingy-majig, this black thing that I think it's another tripod thing. I have no idea. And then it has this black thing. I don't know. But it's really cool. It just all goes to a camera. And then we have the camera. We have the camera. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Oh, 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 this is great. Oh, do you see this? Can I open it and see? Okay, so it's in here. I don't really want to ruin it. It's in there. It has thingies in it, like batteries and a charger. Oh, this is really cool. So this is what the camera looks like. And it's like you can take videos and pictures on it. It's so cool. And thanks. Bye.